How to add PayPal smart buttons in Shopify store. How you can set up PayPal smart buttons on your Shopify store. I uploaded 2 products for testing poor POS. Let me show you this product I upload with 3 different variants because I want full detail of which product customer buy and which variant he buy. So let's go our first step. Go to edit code and create new snippet and write name PayPal buttons. Product name should be same as showing on screen. Then copy this code and paste inside of this snippet and save it again. Open instruction file and copy this code and open main cart footer and search line number 108 and paste this code just above a button and save it. Then open theme, customize and go to product page and open left side section. Click on buy button and remove buy button. We need only add to car button, so let's check buy button removed or not. So now we have only add to car button. Let's go third step. Now select cart page and from left section, open new custom template and paste this code inside and save. Then refresh cart page. See our smart buttons now showing in cart page. Let's check it's working properly or not. It's working and showing same amount. Let's add other variants and check the result. So as you can see, I add 3 different variants with different price, and our buttons showing same price as total of car page. Let's do the transaction and check product description and variance detail. We'll get on our PayPal or not before doing transaction. Don't forget to change client ID from this code and add your PayPal client ID here because without your client ID, you will not receive money from your customer. Let's back and check our transaction. I'm using Sandbox ID and I suggest use Sandbox ID is best for testing. Peros, you should use this before using Live ID. I am giving all payment detail and click on Pay. My transaction is successfully completed, and you can see on screen thank you page pop up, and customer detail and product summary is displaying. So now we are going our final part and going to check our PayPal account. They are showing full product detail with variant or not. I'm going to open my PayPal Sandbox account after. Go downside and check activity section here. You can see just now, Pro Secret Dawood transaction of $60 amount. Let's open this transaction and check all detail here. This is the transaction just now we did, and check the product detail. You can see everything is mentioned like product name and which variant our customer buy from our store, and how many quantity you buy after receive payments from customer. You just check your PayPal and fulfill your order and send to your customer. Also, you can manually create order from Shopify using your customer detail, like email and shipping. Then your customer will receive email from your store and you can update their tracking information. And there you have it with this setup. You not only streamline the payment process for your customers, but also ensure you receive all the details you need right in your PayPal account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tips and tricks. See you in the next video.